Hey guys, welcome to a new video on the channel. Today we're going to be talking about the drop list for week 2. It just dropped today, we have the actual prices, there's a lot of nice pieces in it. This is the second episode of Cop, Drop or Flip, so we're just going to jump straight into it with the first item on the list, which is one of the most sought after I think, is the Band-Aids. So the Band-Aids are by the brand Johnson & Johnson. There's a 20 pack and it's for £4 retail. Cheap item if you're picking up something for Supreme. There's only 20 of them, but it's still a nice pickup. I'll definitely be going for this. This definitely is a cop item. Next, you have the S logo colour block 2D. Nice piece, a lot of nice colourways. There's 4 colourways that we've seen, all colour blocks, so it's different coloured sleeves and the main panel on it. The retail for this, I think, is 158. Yeah, a bit expensive, but the S logo is not too heavy branded. I do like S logos, especially the caps. Nice piece. You can wear with colour blocking. It helps because you can wear with a lot of items. So it's not a piece to sleep on. It's definitely another cop. Next is the S logo colour block shorts. The retail on these is 109. They're both cotton. Both the pieces are cotton. Same again, you've got the same kind of colourways with the shorts being colour blocked into 2 different colours. Nice design. It's not too much, but they're nice. They also have different colours on the black, as you can see. So they have the front of it here, and then the back has 2 different other colours with a back pocket on it. It's a nice design. I can just see so many crazy outfits coming from these. Next is you've got the Lux hooded sweatshirts. So this is just a sweatshirt with the branding that's Lux Supreme on it. It's nice, it's embroidered, so it's good quality. It's only £158 retail, so it's another cop for me. The nice colourways, you can't go wrong. After that we have the Cloud Arc tee. Although a lot of people like this one, I don't. I just feel like they've kind of just chucked Supreme on it, and although like that's kind of what they do a lot of PCs, I just didn't like the way they executed it. It is a cotton jersey though. The retail is a £68, so it's a bit dearer than the rest of the tees, but that's just because what it is. It's a nice design for a lot of people. Like a lot of people do like the design, it's just I don't. There's a lot of nice colourways for it, so if you guys like this one, I put it as a drop for me, but if you guys, you can cop it. There's no flips really in this episode. The Supreme resale is, I don't want to say dead, it's not dead yet, it's going there. So if you want items, go for cops or drops. That's it. You may be able to get a couple pound off it, but it's too risky at this point. Next we have the Penco tape measure. These are insane, I do like them. It measures up to 6 feet, so at least it's useful. The retail on it is £32, so not too bad. It comes in the black and the red. This is definitely a cop item. Next we have the Ghost Rider collab. It's such an insane jacket, but the retail price was released and yeah, I can't afford that. Nice piece. If you can afford it, definitely a cop. I'm putting it as a cop myself, just obviously I can, but I would cop it if I had the money. Next is one of the pieces I will be going for, as well as the Band-Aids and maybe the measuring tape. It's the Needlepoint patch long sleeves. It's a cotton jersey with the needlepoint patching on the front. The retail price for it is £86, so it's not too bad. Nice colourways on it. I'll probably go for the camo at the front. I'm still deciding, but I'll let you guys know when the live cop comes. And I know you guys were annoyed at me last week, but it will be fixed and it will actually be here for the live cop, so it will be a live cop and it will be done, and hopefully I can actually cop this time and not just embarrass myself. But you know, I'll maybe have the bandages to cover up the L's next time, you know. The Needlepoint is a cop for me. Next is the Ghost Rider Laglan long sleeve. I like the jacket. I do not like this. I just feel like on a t-shirt it doesn't look as good. I think it just looks badass on a leather jacket, but when you put it onto a t-shirt it just doesn't work as well, so it's definitely a drop for me, that one is. Next we have the Starr's puffy jacket. Although a lot of people do like this, the votes are kind of swaying into the bad. I don't like it at all. This is a drop. There's stars really on it, that's about it, and then they have the Supreme logo on the back. It's nice colourways, there's nice what they've done with it, but it just doesn't work for me. I think I'm going to be sick. These are horrible. Oh no. I seen a really good video by my man Boone. I'll put his link down in the description below. It's always down there, but if he just takes it he just rips it into them. Go watch it. I'll put it down in the description below. Send him some love. These are horrible. I genuinely don't know. I don't know what's going through their mind. The retail is £178. There's only a small number of the people that like them. The vote's definitely swaying bad. A couple of pairs might sell, but this is a definite drop, like a double drop. Like, I don't even want to think about it. Next we have the marble hooded sweatshirt. It's a bit of a weird design. It's quite funky. It's nice. It's a cotton fleece. The retail though is £138, so I wouldn't pay for it. It's nothing that's jumping out to me. With the Supreme branding on the sleeves, a lot of people I can see will wear this. The votes again are quite slided towards the negative, so for me it's going to have to be a drop. Next we have the Tonal logo beanies. So these are they come in multiple different colourways, and they have Supreme Paris on them. The retail is £28. A lot of people do like them. I'd go for that pink one, to be honest. It's quite nice, or even the green one. But for me this week there's a lot of items that I do want to get, so this is a drop for me. But it's a cheap item. If you guys are new into Supreme and you want to pick something up, beanies and accessories are always the things to go for. So yeah, if you want to try it, I don't blame you. Next we have the zip car jacket. This is definitely not for me. It's a wool blend. The retail on it is £208. It has pockets on the front with a zip, and the colourways, it comes in purple, black and red. Yeah, it's not for me. I can see a lot of people wearing this, but it's just, again, it's down voted quite a lot. It's just not my style, so I'm gonna have to give this one a drop. Last couple of items, we have the Ghost Rider pants. These fit with the leather jacket. I can imagine somebody pulling off the full outfit, but that's nearly £2,000. There is no way I have money for that. In fact, I'm pretty sure it is £2,000. These are leather also. It's a nice design, but just depends. I feel like I could never wear leather pants, so it's definitely a drop for me. But for different people, it might be something different. Coming into the last three items, we have the washed linen caps. These are just the Supreme branded box logo on the front. There's 5 different colourways: the blue, the red, the orange, the dark purple and the grey. Same again, if you're going for something and you're new to Supreme, caps are the best places to start. £46, the retail's higher than usual, than like beanies and stuff, so if you're going for a hat, beanies are usually best, but it depends what you want to go for. These are nice. I'm gonna say a drop because it's linen, and yeah, I don't like linen hats. The second last item is the striped twill shirt. This just doesn't fit into this drop at all. I don't know why it's there, but it is. There's 3 colourways, so there's like a white and a black, there's a navy and a red and a brown. The retail on it is £109. It's an all cotton shirt. Not for me, definitely not, but I can see some people picking it up. I don't judge, but it's definitely a drop. So the last item on the list is the Bloodlust mesh 5 panel. This fits the ceramic box that was in last week's drop. Not for me. This is a quick drop for me. I just feel £38 is a bit much, and even at that, it's netted in the back. Just not for me, not my style. So I think, guys, that was the whole cop drop or flip. There's no flips really. I don't want to say flips and they come out to be complete failures. I don't want to risk it. The Supreme resale isn't quite there as much as it used to be. But you just have to wait and see. It might come up in recent weeks. We just did a really hype drop. A couple of items I will be going for, so if you guys stay tuned and watch the live cop on Thursday, I promise I will do my best to cop and not fail this time. I have a good idea what I'm going to go for, but I'll let you guys know in that video. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you want to leave a like, subscribe, and if there's anything you want to say down below, just leave a comment. I'll be responding to them all. If there's anything you disliked about the video, dislike it and tell me why, because it helps me improve. I'm listening to the comments from last week's live cop, and I'm going to improve in this week's one. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed, please leave a like, subscribe. Follow my Instagrams at jack_nisbet and diabetes_shoes. Yeah, see you next one, guys. Peace.